Hello there, Pete here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to capture your screen if you're using a Mac. If you're using a PC, you'll probably want to go over to the serverlesscat.cam because it's free. You don't need to install anything. But I wouldn't recommend this as the first choice because it will eat up a lot of your computer's RAM because it doesn't save the video somewhere else. It just saves it in your browser until you're ready to use it. So if the video goes over a minute, it's going to start to eat up a lot of your computer's power. So what I'm going to show you is probably the best way to record video on a Mac, which is quite simply, if you just search your Mac for QuickTime, I've got here at the bottom of my screen, you can equally just hit the search for QuickTime, and then that will open up. Once it's opened up, you'll go up to File here at the top, and then New Screen Recording. And then this gives you an option to either select a part of the screen, or you can use these options to capture the entire screen. It also allows you to do screenshots. So just run a few tests to make sure you're comfortable with it, because sometimes people accidentally just take a picture of the screen and think that they're filming. So just keep that in mind. And then all you have to do is, once you're happy with where it's recording, is hit record here. And mine's set up to give you a 5-second delay, which I think is typically how it's set up as a test. And then it will be recording, so it's recording now. And then when you're happy with what you've recorded, you can just speak into the computer and it should be totally fine. And then when you're happy with what you've recorded, at the top here in the middle, there's a stop button. You just hit that. And then it's got the recording, and you notice here on my desktop, it's recorded. But there's this weird setup where you quite often have to, or at this point, it's quite often a good idea to just hit Command and Save to save the videos, whatever you want to name it. So it's done at that point, and then it creates another version of the video. I'm not sure why that is, but that's what it does. And then essentially you can head on over to YouTube. If you've got a Google account already set up, at this point, you can quite literally just upload that video, hit here, upload video, and then it's just a matter of dragging and dropping that recording straight on here. And that will take a little bit of time depending on your internet speed, but it's not actually as long as it used to be back in the day. So you can see here that couple seconds video is actually already uploaded, but it just needs processing. So within about 15 minutes, well, okay, 3 seconds then, typically like a 5-minute video, 7-minute video, maybe a 10-minute video will take up to 20 minutes. And then quite literally the next step is click on next here. And you don't really need to select anything here. And the next thing to do is just to click unlisted and then click save. And what that unlisted is doing is it means that the video won't come up any searches and people won't find it if they're looking through your profile. So it's totally discreet. You don't have to worry about anything. And you can just copy this link and send it over to whoever wants that discrete video. So yeah, that's pretty much all you'd need to do to share feedback or tutorials or advice and things like that. If you're going to be helping me out with Cognitive, which a number of you are, which is why I'm recording this, I super appreciate your time and any feedback. The product's only as good as the feedback it gets, and I fully acknowledge I can't build everything in the dark. So I'm really thankful for your time, and hopefully this tool will prove useful for other things that you do. I can't count the number of videos I've sent to clients or friends or what have you. I do it literally daily. So it's a really powerful tool for quickly explaining something. So I'm sure you'll get loads of value out of it if this is the first time you're actually coming across this. But yeah, thanks for your time.